Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about my favorite butane torch at my bench. I have tried so many of these babies, different brands, different styles, and truly the Bench Basics by PepeTools is hands down my favorite, and I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about why. I'm gonna first show you guys how this works. So if you are completely brand new to silversmithing and you don't even know what a butane torch is, or you are on the market and looking for one, this is a great video for you. I'm gonna share with you guys all the little fancy things about this torch and why I love it. And then I'm gonna demonstrate what this baby is capable of, because you can truly achieve and do so many different things with this torch, from soldering on an earring post to working with thicker wire to creating gemstones. I'm going to show you how you can do all of that and how you don't need to go and jump in and invest into a really expensive propane oxygen torch setup. You don't need anything like that, especially when starting out. You can create so many different types of cute jewelry styles with this torch, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get into it. I do want to take a second and thank PepeTools for sponsoring this video. PepeTools is by far my favorite brand that supplies us silversmithers and jewelers with the most highest quality tools and supplies. I have been talking about PepeTools on here so much. They are my absolute favorite, and to be able to get to work with them and put together this video that I've been wanting to create for you guys for so long is just so special. I am definitely by far like one of their biggest fans, so this is just really cool, and I'm so excited to make this video for you guys and genuinely express my love for this butane torch and hopefully reach all my newbies to check it out. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start by talking about this flame. This flame is my favorite part of this torch. It can reach up to temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough heat for a lot of silversmithing projects, especially working with thick metal or even melted down wire. Another thing I really love about this torch is that you can adjust the flame size. So you can go from a smaller, more precise flame to something a bit stronger depending on what you're working on. It also has a built-in igniter, which means you don't need a lighter to start it. You can just click it on and you're ready to go. The butane reservoir in this torch is actually really big, so once it's filled, you can get up to about 90 minutes of burn time, which is honestly so great because I've worked with so many different torches that run out of gas so quickly, so this was a huge win for me. And of course, the base is removable, so you can either hold it in your hand or set it on the bench if you want extra stability while you're soldering. Now let me show you what this little torch is capable of. For this first demo, I'm going to show you how I use this torch to solder on an earring post. For this technique, it is key to have high heat so your solder can flow quickly, and also precision because we do not want to melt our earring post. The flame on the torch is perfect for this because we can create a small, precise, but very hot flame so we can melt the solder quickly just where we need, keeping it super controlled, all without overheating and melting our whole post. For this next demonstration, I'm going to show you how this torch works great for working with thick metal. Working with thick metal, you really need high heat and you need a flame that is powerful and will not run out halfway through. I love this torch because the flame is so powerful that melting hard solder into the joint of this thick metal was honestly a breeze. And I've honestly attempted this with a lot of other butane torches, and some of them could just not reach the temperature I needed, so the solder would never flow, because if the metal itself is not hot enough, the solder will not flow. So this torch definitely wins first place for a small but powerful torch. For my last demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can create bezels with this torch and make gemstone jewelry like this. When creating bezels, you use this torch for two things: soldering your bezel shut and soldering the bezel to the back plate. To be real, I did not think you could achieve this with a torch because you need to have such a really small but powerful flame to solder a bezel shut, or it will melt so quickly. I really thought you could only do this with a small fine tip like on my mini smith torch, but I was wrong. I was able to do both of these with ease, and I make so many different types of gemstone jewelry projects with this torch, and you can too. All you need is this baby right here. Not to mention this torch is only 50 bucks, so it's super affordable. I will link this torch for you below if you want to snag it and give it a try. And if you are new and actually want to learn how to create some jewelry start to finish with this torch, like making hoops or rings, make sure to check out my introduction to silversmithing course or hop into my online school membership where you can get access to all these projects once you subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go grab one of these torches. Thanks again, PepeTools, for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. And make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Love ya.